Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this really pretty, super easy and affordable crochet hairstyle that I think will be perfect for the upcoming holidays using the Harlem 125 KIMA Ocean Wave hair in 20 inches. If you guys like this style, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. I am starting off the style on super dirty, old, flat ironed hair. You don't have to have your hair flat ironed in order to do this style. You could do it on freshly clean hair or an old blowout, whatever you want, whatever works for you. I went ahead and parted my hair down the middle, and then from the crown I parted it down to my ears on both sides, and I'm gonna go ahead and pin that up and then work on cornrowing the back of my hair. I didn't do anything fancy or clean. I just did 4 jumbo cornrows, and then I weaved together the ends of my hair so that it would lay flat so I could go ahead and install the crochet hair. And I will show you guys in just a second what the back of my head looks like. I do use weaving thread to secure the ends of my braids just because I don't like pulling them through with a crochet hook. I feel like that's a little bit too much on my hair, but do whatever works for you. I will list the products that I use to slick my hair down in the description box. I used a combination of gel and edge control. All I did was braid down the front 2 sections of my hair into cornrows, and then I'm going to pin the braids back just so that the hair is out of my face, and I think it looks really polished and put together, and I ended up really loving how this hairstyle came out. So once I'm done doing the braids in the front, I added some lotta body, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair in a scarf just to flatten everything out and make sure that it looks really nice and sleek. So like I mentioned, the hair that I'm going to be using to complete this style is by Harlem 125. This is the KIMA Ocean Wave hair in 20 inches. I ended up purchasing 4 packs in a color number 2, and I used a little bit over 2 packs to complete this style. I personally love this hair, and if you guys are not new to crochet braids or crochet hair, I'm sure you have seen a lot of people use this, or maybe you have used it yourself. It mimics a blown out kinky straight texture really well. It has a really nice soft feel to it. It's not super shiny, and it doesn't have crinkles or anything like that. It holds up pretty well. My only complaint about this hair is that you do have to knot it a few times in order for it to be secure, because if you only do the 1 loop, it will come loose, and you don't want that to happen, especially if you want your style to last a little bit longer. I really enjoy working with this hair. It's very soft. You can brush it out and make it big, but it doesn't get super frizzy, which I like because I feel like that helps with the longevity of your styles. I'm not doing anything special while installing this hair. I am double knotting it, as I mentioned to you guys earlier, just to make sure that it is secure. All the products that I used in today's video will be listed down below, so don't forget to check out the description box if you guys have any questions. I have been doing a little bit more crochet hairstyles here on my channel because I really enjoy them, and I hope you guys are too. And if you are, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying this content and you want to see more from me here on this channel. To finish off this hairstyle, I decided to do my edges, and y'all, if you guys are not new, you know I don't really do baby hairs like that, but for some reason I really liked how this ended up looking with this hairstyle, and I'm really happy with how it came out. That is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Share this video with a friend or family member that you think would look bomb in this hairstyle, and I will see you guys in my very next upload. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss out. Bye.